How to delete Weverse account on PC. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about deleting your Weverse account on PC. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to go ahead and launch your web browser, and then in the search bar, type in Weverse, then go to weverse.io. Now, once you're logged into your specific account, tap on the user icon that is between notifications and the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. Once you're in this page, tap on account settings, which you will find between notices, and enter a digital code. And once you're in the My Info settings, scroll all the way down and there you will see the option of delete Weverse account. Tap on it. But before you delete your account, you need to disconnect all the connected apps and services to delete your Weverse account permanently. So again, scroll upwards and under the connected apps and services, tap on delete beside the Weverse. Tap on delete account from Weverse. Then again, scroll down and go ahead and tap on delete Weverse account and you'll be done. So this was all about it. I hope you found it informative. This is how you can delete your Weverse account on your PC. So please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.